What is the most bizarre thing you've caught yourself doing after your brain's autopilot misfired? So I have vigorously picking my nose while holding a cigarette and driving, crammed a lit cigarette right up my nose. Night before my very first day at work, I got all the ingredients out to make my sandwich for tomorrow, and immediately after I made it, I walked into the living room, turned on the TV, and I ate it. Recently spent 10 minutes on the phone with State Farm trying to pull up my policy, getting increasingly annoyed at the fact they couldn't find my policy number. Then I remembered, I have Progressive. I've never had State Farm in my life. I tapped a picture in the newspaper hoping to see the full article. Took me a good 5 seconds to realize where I messed up.
That's pretty good.
I work in a lab and you have to initial and date everything. The other day I crossed something off my grocery list, wrote a justification for the change, and initialed and dated it. The pipe underneath my sink was broken, so I put a bucket below to catch the water leaking out. When it was full, I poured it back into the sink and proceeded to flood my kitchen.